Hello everyone, today we'll show you how to remove and unlock the pattern password on your Samsung A24 screen. Remember, it will erase everything on your phone's memory. In some cases, you'll need to connect the USB cable to your laptop, okay? But you don't need to download any program or file. On this screen, press the volume down and power buttons. When it restarts, release only the volume down and press the volume up, okay? It's good to follow the exact time your device restarts to do this, okay? Let's wait. According to the step by step. Release the volume down now, press the volume up, release the power button, and keep holding the volume up until it enters recovery mode. That's why you'll need to connect the USB cable in some cases. Test the way that works for you. Leave it in the comments, okay? If you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up. If you have questions, put them in the comments and we'll respond, okay? Let's wait here then. Alright, on this screen, remember this works for other Samsung models too. Go down with volume down to the fifth option, wipe data factory reset, confirm with power. On the next screen, go down with volume. Down, confirm with power. If you need to unlock the Google account on this or any model, we can do it remotely. I'll leave my WhatsApp in the description. Contact me directly. Contact me directly. Learn this unlocking and money from home or anywhere, often without a computer. It's a great investment for your business. If interested, I'll leave the last link in the description. To finish unlocking, confirm with power. If this video helped you and you can, please contribute to our channel. Our pics is in the description. Thanks, take care.